channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am actually doing a different kind of vlog. I'm doing a shop with me. I'm a bit nervous because I actually have to vlog in public, but basically I'm doing like a back to school video showing you guys how I find outfits that are cute on the low. Today I'm going to the mall. Really did not. I've been wanting to get new clothes for the longest, but I don't like going all the way to the mall because the mall is like 30 minutes away and getting there is a hassle because all the freeways you have to take. I have my iced coffee. I'm about to go pick up my paycheck. I keep forgetting about that. I need that. And then we're gonna go to the mall and show you guys what I'm gonna get. So yeah, just show you guys how I get some outfits. They may not all be in dress code, but I'm planning on going to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Forever 21, Hollister, and I think that's it. But yeah, let's go. So we made it to the mall, and getting here actually wasn't as stressful as I thought it would be. I have to pee because I drank all of my coffee. So we're gonna go to the bathroom, and then I think the first we're gonna hit up is Forever 21, and then we'll take it from there. Dazzle Up had a sale going on. Of course, I went ahead and copped me some t-shirts. So we are in the dressing room. Have some clothes, a lot of fall. I'm doing a voiceover because the music was way too loud and I was talking way too low. So first I tried on this horizontal stripes long sleeve shirt. I love the shirt. Next I tried on this really cute top, but I knew I would never wear it, and it was 20 bucks, so it was a no. Then I tried on this army green military jacket, and it was huge on me even though it was a small. Then I tried on this basic gray sweater, which I probably already have in my closet. Then to be less basic, I tried it on in another color. I tried out the trend of cropped sweaters, which I think is stupid. Tried on this top, which in hindsight was not cute one bit. A gray one, so I think I have one in gray, and if not, whatever. I'm in Hollister now. I hate the dressing room. It's tiny and it has a skirt, and I hate curtains. I do not feel like secure, but I have these jeans to try on. Hollister always has sales for $25. All my jeans are from Hollister. They always have sales for $25. So I'm gonna try these on. I have a 0 and a 00. It looks kind of big. I'm only a 1 in their jeans, but it looks kind of big, so we'll see. And I just have a plain pair of black jeans. Both of these are low rise. I prefer high rise, but I didn't find any high rise. Like, if I don't find any, I'll like kind of order some online. So the jeans fit my waist in a 0, but like everywhere else, it was kind of like pushing my skin out. So those were a no. And the black jeans were a little too tight, and they were low rise, and I prefer high rise jeans. Was like closing down. I guess not, but they have so many good sales. So I have a lot of clothes here to try on. So I'm gonna try on and show y'all, but I think it's not good at all, but whatever. This first top was 60% off its sale price, but it just fit my shoulders really awkward. However, I love the jeans. They have floral embroidery on them, and I think it's super unique. They're 60 bucks, but they have buy one get one free. Tried these jeans on, but they were an absolute no. They were low rise. I couldn't roll them up. They just weren't cute at all. This top I fell in love with. It's super duper cute. Has this cute little floral detail, fluffy shoulders or frilly shoulders. So cute. Then I tried on, I guess this is called a parka jacket. This one's 35 bucks. The only problem is I don't know if I'm going to wear this ever. Okay, I'm not even gonna try these on because I didn't find very alike. But they had buy one get 2 free for like little t-shirts like this. They had actual like American Eagle, Air Postal shirts, but I don't want those. So this one is 29 or 26. I think it's 26. And I wasn't gonna get 3 shirts for $26. I just wasn't gonna wear them. So they're cute if you guys want them. I get 2 free. Since the jeans are 60 bucks, I'm not going to get them unless I find another cute pair. They're really cute, but I can't salvage 60 bucks for a pair of jeans. I got 3 more pairs of jeans, so I'm gonna try these on real quick. These ones are a little different. I don't actually have a wash like this. These ones, I feel like I already have in my closet, but they're also super cute. I don't know. So this is a fail because a lot of stores have music playing and the music is so loud. But I went to 3 stores like $140, which is not bad, but I wasn't planning on spending over 100. So the stuff I got from Aeropostale, I'm not like 100% sure on. So I'm gonna try it on when I get home, fill it out, and then if I don't like it, I'll take it back. But I was just rushing because I wanted to skip over rush hour, but it's 5:11, so it takes me 30 minutes to get home. I'm not skipping that. My face is so oily, but I'm done. I'm gonna do a separate haul on my channel soon, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna do some food from Chipotle, probably eat in there, probably wait out traffic, which is not gonna work out. Don't have headphones though, but it's okay. So yes, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Goodbye.